My name is Anna. Hi. My name is Anna.
I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
Today I'm wearing a red dress. Today I'm wearing a red dress. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know the answer. I know the answer.
I feel really happy today. I feel really happy today.
I usually walk, but today I drove. I usually walk, but today I drove.
My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. It's raining outside. It's raining outside.
This bike is faster than mine. This bike is faster than mine.
This is the biggest dinosaur. This is the biggest dinosaur. Which flavor do you want? Which flavor do you want?
There are 10,000 people here. There are 10,000 people here.
My birthday is in July. My birthday is in July. I was a teacher. I was a teacher.
I visited Paris last year. Visited Paris last year. I visited Paris last year.
I could run very fast. I could run very fast.
I went to the zoo. I went to the zoo. This book is about a dragon. This book is about a dragon.
Where did you go on vacation? Where did you go on vacation? I have 3 years of experience. I have 3 years, Y can one than I. 3 years of experience. Some tats. Who wrote this book? Who wrote this book?
Everyone is having fun. Everyone is having fun.
Really? Me too. Really? Me too.
Me.
I'm meeting my friend on Friday. I'm meeting my friend on Friday.
I'm gonna travel next month. I'm going to travel next month.
It's going to rain. It's going to rain.
I think it will be sunny tomorrow. I think it will be sunny tomorrow.
I'll have the pasta. I'll have the pasta.
I might go to the beach. I might go to the beach.
You should get some rest. You should get some rest. We could watch a movie. We could watch a movie.
I've cleaned the kitchen. I've cleaned the kitchen.
I've traveled to 5 countries. I've traveled to 5 countries.
I haven't finished my project yet. I haven't finished my project yet.
Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please?
I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor.
It's a nice day, isn't it?
It's a nice day, isn't it?
It's a nice day, isn't it?
The bank is next to the bakery. The bank is next to the bakery.
The team won by 2 goals. The team won by 2 goals.
The meeting starts at 9 sharp. The meeting starts at 9 sharp.
Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number?
I work as an engineer. I work as an engineer.
I usually go to the gym on Mondays. I usually go to the gym on Mondays.
I woke up and turned off the alarm. I woke up and turned off the alarm.
She has curly brown hair. She has curly brown hair.
I'm wearing my favorite jacket. I'm wearing my favorite jacket.
I always drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning.
Let's check out that new cafe. Let's check out that new cafe.
This city is quieter than mine. This city is quieter than mine. I'm really interested in painting. I'm school. I'm interested in painting. I'm really interested in painting. I was a curious child. I was a curious child. That was very unfair. That was very unfair. I've been to Japan twice. I've been to Japan twice. Call woof caw. I've been to Japan twice.
I've climbed this mountain before. I've climbed this mountain before.
I've been painting the walls. I've been painting the walls. How long have you been playing guitar? How long have you been playing guitar?
I've made a delicious cake. I've made a delicious cake.
There's too much traffic today. There's too much traffic today.
I need a new umbrella. I need a new umbrella. I need a new umbrella. I made this soup myself. I made this soup myself.
This is used for cutting wood. This is used for cutting wood. I'm thinking of joining a team.
I'm thinking.
Of joining a team.
I'm flying to London on Monday. I'm flying to London on Monday.
I'm gonna get fit this year. I'm going to get fit this year.
I promise I will call you. I promise I will call you. It might snow tonight. It might snow tonight.
I have to finish my homework. I have to finish my homework.
She must be tired. She must be tired.
Could I have a glass of water? Could I have a glass of water?
I ran into an old friend. I ran into an old friend.
The meeting is at 3, isn't it? The meeting is at 3, isn't it? If you heat water, it boils. If you heat water, it boils. The bread is baked every morning. The bread is baked every morning. If I study hard, I'll pass. If I study hard, I'll pass.
If it breaks, call a mechanic. If it breaks, call a mechanic. Before we build, we need a plan. Before we build, we need a plan.
If I had wings, I would fly. If I had wings, I would fly.
If I were you, I'd rest. If I were you, I'd rest.
If we win the deal, we'll celebrate. If we win the deal, we'll celebrate.